Welcome back to our channel everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Capital One credit card account. Alright, now there's no separate login process. Most people get confused like you have to go through another account or something like that, but do not worry, by the end of this video your confusion will be solved. So follow the step, but before that just hit that subscribe button to our channel. Alright everybody, now the first step is you just want to go to capitalone.com. This is the official website. You can pause the video to see. It's capitalone.com. So basically just search for it. It's going to bring you to its official website. Once you're over here, what you can do is just click on sign in. But if you don't want to click on that, you can just enter your username over here just like this. After you enter that, you can enter the password over here. Once you do that, click on sign in. It's going to log you in into your Capital One account. Once you log in into your Capital One account, from there you can access your credit card information, or you can activate your credit card, or you can even apply for credit card. Alright, so don't get confused. You do not need a separate thing. You just need to have an online banking account of Capital One. From there you can do everything and anything you want related with the credit card. So hope you understand. Hit that subscribe button and you can watch this video as well. It's helpful to you guys, and you can watch this video as well to get more information on bank related stuff. I'll see you guys next time.